What is up, guys? Salit here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to outline an object in your pictures. So what you want to do is select the photo. Here I'm scrolling down. I'll choose my Mustang, and what you want to do is scroll right here on the bottom and look for add photo. Then go down and get the same picture that you chose. So let me get that right here. And then what you want to do is press cut out right here on the bottom. Cut out with the scissors. Then you press this little icon right here, outline, and you just want to go around your object. Go all the way around. Make sure you get the edges. And it actually does a good job of doing it itself. You guys will see right here. That was an accidental mark. So as you can see, it fills in the whole thing, and you just want to zoom in and restore the missing parts. Alright, so now that I'm done, what you want to do is just press done, and here you have your object. So now look for border, this little icon, it's a square, and it'll outline the object itself. And then here you could just choose the color and also make it bolder or thinner. Here I'm choosing purple, red. So yeah, that's basically it. You just press next at the top and you should be good to go.